Hey, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Tusk Quiet-Glide Skid Plate on your Yamaha Ténéré 700. The adventure bikes like this Yamaha Ténéré 700 need a skid plate to help protect the engine cases and the exhaust from any branches or rocks that could possibly create a lot of damage. So the problem with the stock skid plate is it's made out of a thin aluminum. So if you're doing any kind of serious riding, you want to upgrade that skid plate. Now, this Tusk Quiet-Glide skid plate is a great replacement option. The aluminum on it is a lot thicker, but it also has the UHMW on the bottom. So it's going to glide over the obstacles a lot quieter, and it's not going to hang up like the aluminum would. Now, if you want even more protection, you can get one with the linkage guard. And that's actually what we're going to run on our bike. It's not that much more money, but you're going to get a lot more protection. Now, as far as installation goes, it's a fairly simple procedure. So let's go ahead and show you how to get it done. This is the hardware that comes with the skid plate. We have 2 longer bolts and 2 spacers. These are going to go in the front along with 2 washers. And then the 2 shorter bolts and washers are going to mount up in the rear. So we'll start out by removing the stock skid plate. We just have 4 bolts on it. And as I pull this off, you can see how thin that aluminum really is. As you can see, this new skid plate is a lot thicker material and it's going to be a lot tougher. So again, we're just going to mount this up how the other one was. And we're using the spacers and the longer bolts in the front side. And as we mount it out, we're just going to leave all of these bolts just a little bit loose until they're all on. Then we'll do the final tightening. And for the back bolt on both sides, you're just going to run a washer on that shorter bolt. And of course, you'll install the other bolts on the other side in the same way, and then we'll tighten everything down. Installing this Tusk Quiet-Glide skid plate really is that easy. If you need this or any other parts or accessories for your bike, be sure to check out our website. We have a lot of different options on there, and we offer free shipping on orders over $75. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.